Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to delete Snapchat account on Samsung. So if you wish to go ahead and delete your Snapchat account on your Samsung device, then this is the right guide for you. So these steps actually works on any Android devices. So for you to be able to get started, just go ahead and open the Snapchat app. Now once you're already in there, click onto the upper left corner of the screen onto your profile. Now, once you're already onto your profile, onto the upper right corner of the screen, there is a gear icon for settings. Click onto that, and here on settings, you'll just need to scroll down until you should be able to find it in here, the support section, and you'll just need to click onto the I need help. Now, right after that, you'll get redirected onto Snapchat support. Here in Snapchat support, there is a managing my account option in here. Open that one out so that you could see the delete or deactivate my account. So you should be able to see links in there and contact us button. You'll just have to click onto the first link. Since here onto the first link, there is a step-by-step guide on how to do that. And there is an option for you to click onto the link to get redirected onto your Snapchat account portal. So just simply click onto that link, and then right after, you'll get redirected onto this page. Just scroll down and try to click on to delete my account. Now, right after that one, you should be able to see the messages already in here or the reminders on what will happen if you go ahead and delete your account. So you need to type in your email or your username and password for that. And right after that, just click on to deactivate. And then you should be able to see the message that your account has been deactivated. So these are the guide on to what will happen. And if you wish to reactivate your account, you'll just have to log back in again before the 30 days. So if you won't log in onto that 30 days, then your account will be completely deleted right after 30 days. And that's just basically it onto how to delete your Snapchat account on Samsung. And if you think this tutorial has been helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.